Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Laboratory Cognizance. Today, we're moving into one of the lab's essential tools, laminar airflow, about keeping it clean, sterile, and safe. Whether you're a lab tech, a student, or just curious, understanding how laminar airflow works is crucial in the world of science. So buckle up as we explore its working principle, parts, and key uses. Laminar airflow is essentially a controlled, sterile environment. Think of it as a shield, a safe space in the lab, preventing airborne contaminants from interfering with sensitive samples or procedures. It's mostly found in microbiology labs, pharmaceutical labs, and other settings where precision and cleanliness are a must. So how does it work? It all boils down to the way air flows, hence laminar airflow. Inside this setup, air moves in a uniform, unidirectional path. Imagine a calm river flowing straight with no turbulence. That's essentially what's happening in a laminar airflow system. First, let's talk about the HEPA filter, the heart of this system. HEPA stands for high-efficiency particulate air. It captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. That means most bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses get caught before they can reach your workspace. The HEPA filter ensures only the purest, contaminant-free air flows over your workspace. The pre-filter is the first line of defense, removing larger dust particles and extending the life of the HEPA filter. It's usually a replaceable component, making sure that the unit stays efficient and cost-effective over time. Now here's the main principle. The air first passes through the pre-filter and then through the HEPA filter. This filtered air then flows in a single direction across the workspace, forming a laminar flow. There are generally two types of laminar airflow cabinets, horizontal and vertical. In horizontal units, air flows from the back towards the front. It's suitable for tasks that require a larger work area. In vertical units, the air moves from the top down. This type is great for handling hazardous substances as it prevents direct airflow towards the operator. Laminar airflow units create a barrier against airborne contaminants, which is critical in maintaining sterile environments. They're especially useful when working with cell cultures, DNA samples, or preparing pharmaceutical ingredients. Now, let's get into where and how laminar airflow cabinets are used in real-world applications. In microbiology, contamination can ruin results. Laminar flow cabinets provide a clean space for culturing cells, preparing slides, and handling live specimens. It's widely used in hospitals and research labs to ensure sample integrity. In pharmaceutical labs, precise measurements and contamination-free preparation are critical. Laminar flow helps create a clean zone for compounding drugs and handling chemicals, ensuring they're safe and effective. Even outside biology, laminar airflow cabinets are used in electronics. Semiconductor manufacturing, for example, requires dust-free environments. A single speck of dust can ruin circuits, so laminar airflow is used to maintain high-quality production. Even the food industry benefits. Laminar flow units help maintain sterile conditions during food testing, preventing contamination from affecting safety tests and shelf life studies. To keep a laminar flow cabinet running at its best, regular maintenance is essential. Make sure to change the pre-filters every few months and HEPA filters yearly. Also, avoid blocking the airflow. Keep equipment to a minimum in the workspace. So there you have it, a crash course on laminar airflow and its vital role in maintaining sterile environments. It's an unsung hero of lab work, keeping our samples, experiments, and even ourselves safe from contamination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your lab buddies. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about laminar airflow or lab equipment in general.